Welcome to World Famous Foods with Mr. Nez and Mr. Oz. Today we're doing a rib sandwich. Better than McRib, of course. So we got our ribs. We're going to be using Sweet Baby Ray's honey mustard as our binder. Got the Rib Rack Spice rub. Going to be using the spicy honey barbecue sauce. These pickles, habaneros, onion, of course our steak rolls, world famous. Okay, so let's get our binder on here. Put this in generously. Put our rub on here.
And that's so the rub sticks to the ribs better, that binder?
That's right. Turn this over to the other side. There we go. Then we're going to put these in the oven for an hour and 30 minutes on 200 Celsius.
Looking good.
That's that. Okay, so now we're going to put these in the oven. All nicely wrapped. 1 hour 30 minutes, 200. So we're just putting butter on the bread. Right. Slap the stuff on here. Leave it in the oven for a couple minutes. A little bit crispy. Waiting for the ribs to get done. Yeah. Okay, so we got them out of the oven. Now we're going to pull the bones. And then we'll be right back. Okay, so we got all the bones. We put them back in the oven. We just put some sauce on here.
And grill it a little bit?
For a little bit, yep. World famous. So here we have them. Gonna put our sandwich together now. Put some sauce on here.
What's your favorite barbecue sauce?
Sauce on here. As I said, this is going to be better than the McRib.
Some onions.
There you have it. World famous rib sandwich.